Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will install Windows 10 and step by step I will explain that how could we install Windows by ourselves. So let's start. It is very easy. One can easily install Windows 10 at their home. First of all, turn on or restart the computer. If your computer is on, so you have to restart. If it is off, so you have to turn on the computer. And after turn on the computer or restarting the computer, you have to select the boot menu or move towards the boot menu. Every computer have different function key to uh, select the boot menu. Someone have F2, F8, F10, F7, and so on. What type of computer you have? So there is a way to select the boot menu by pressing the function key. Whenever you press the function key, so you will have a boot menu like this. Here you have to select the boot device. That boot device will boot your computer or install the computer. So first of all, you have to select the bootable device from the boot menu. Here you can select if you have a bootable USB of Windows 10, or if you have a bootable DVD of Windows 10. So here you have to select the bootable device. After selecting the bootable device, you have to save this option and exit from this menu. After exiting from this menu, you will have like this. You have selected the USB, and after selecting the boot device, you have to insert the boot device into the computer or your laptop. For example, if you have selected the USB or flash memory of bootable of Windows 10, so you have to insert that USB or flash into the computer. Or if you have selected the DVD of bootable Windows 10, so you have to insert the DVD into the DVD drive. After that, Windows will loading files, or you will have press any key to continue from boot to the DVD or CD or the USB. You will have this option also after selecting boot device. And after that, Windows will load the bootable files and you will have this screen of Windows 10. Here you have to select the language, in which language you want to install Windows 10, and time division and the currency. For example, US dollar you can select, and the English language, which English language or keyword you want to select, for example, US English. After that, you have to click on the next button and you will have this screen, install now. So after clicking install now, you will have this option, choose an option. If you have already Windows 10 installation into your computer or laptop, desktop, whatever you have, so you want to troubleshoot your Windows if there is any error, or if you want to install the custom Windows, so you have to select the option from here. After selecting that option, you will have the Windows activation key or the product key that you have given by the company that you have bought from the Windows, or the Windows license keys mentioned on the box on the CD or DVD. After inserting the product key, you have to click on the next button. Then you will have the license agreement with the company that you want to install. For example, Microsoft, there is a license, you have to agree with that license and click on the accept. Then you will move to the forward. Otherwise, you will not move without accepting the license. Here you have two options. Upgrade, you have already Windows 7 or Windows 8, you want to upgrade your Windows 7 or Windows 8, so you will select this option, the first option. And if you want to install custom Windows, means separate Windows 10, so you will select this option. For example, I want to upgrade my Windows, so I will select this and I will click on the next. So you will have a drive option here. In drive option, you have all CD or DVD D drive here in this list, and the space and capacity will coming on the screen. For example, I have 60 GB hard disk capacity and it is empty and free. So I will click on the next button. Or you want to format, there is a format option is also there. If your hard disk is occupied and there are so many files and you want to format, so you can select the format option here. There is no need to format my hard drive, so I will click on the next button. So the Windows is going to install, we can see, and the first option is copying Windows file. We can see there is a green color tick sign. That means that phase or that step is completed now. After that, there are some more steps. We can see getting files ready and installing features, installing updates, and finishing up. When the computer will perform these steps, then there will be a green sign or tick sign. That means that has been finished now. So after these steps, we will have get going fast. There are some more options of related to the Windows. You have to select those options, or you want to select the expect setting. So you want to select expect setting, that is default setting from the Microsoft Windows. Otherwise you can on off the different options. For example, going fast, there is a screen keyboard, high contrast, color, striking key, filter, sticking key, sorry, filter keys, and so on. There are so many options you can to select on or off. After that, there are some more options, personalization and the location. You can select on and off from here by yourself. This is called customize setting. After that, you have to click on the next button. There are some more options related to the browsers, connectivity, and so on. Again, you have to select on or off which you want to keep setting into your Windows. You can select from here on or off. After selecting these customized setting, you have to click again on the next button. Then you will have who own this PC or the laptop. You have to mention the person name who will use this PC or the computer. For example, I do, you will use at the home, or for the organization, you have to select for any organization, company, whatever, or you want to use these windows at your home. So you will select here home. After selecting, click on the next button. Then you can mention your email address or password. If you want to use your Microsoft account to operate your Windows by signing in, so you can mention your Hotmail or Outlook account from here. So you can sign in from the Hotmail or Outlook account. If you have a Hotmail or Outlook account, so you will have a activation code or the pin code that will send on your computer. Sorry, that will send on your mobile phone. So you have to select from your mobile phone and enter here. After entering the code, you have to click on the next. Password are so yesterday. So your computer is password protected now. If you have sign in, then you can enter your computer. Otherwise, you want to use a PIN code instead of the password. So there is an option in Windows 10. You can insert 4-digit PIN code to open your Windows or to sign in your Windows. There is a new option. Same like in the credit card, we have insert 4-digit PIN code. Same like that, we can keep a 4-digit PIN code in Windows sign in. There is another option, that is get your files here, there, and everywhere. You want to access your file from everywhere. For example, if you are a businessman or you are visiting different cities or countries and you want to access your data, so you can easily access your data if you keep saving your data into the OneDrive provided by the Microsoft Windows 10. So you can easily access anywhere in the world. Then selecting this, you have to click on the next button. This one is Cortana. Cortana is a visual assistant of the Windows 10 that help you to search anything from the internet, and the Cortana use Bing search engine to find anything which you want to provide. For example, weather, plan, header, notes, reminder, etc. So Cortana is a visual assistant that will help you perform anything in the computer. After selecting this, you have to click on the next, choose your default app. For example, which app you want to normally use. For example, photos, music. Microsoft Edge is a browser provided by the Windows 10, a new browser, and the multimedia software that is called movie and TV. So you have to tick from here which software you want to use or apps you want to use. You have to customize. After that, you will have a screen of a user. Here you have to mention the username and the password, and after that you will sign in on and you will enter into the Windows 10. And I have explained that you can sign in with a Hotmail or Outlook email ID as well. After signing in, so you will have a final screen of a Windows. This screen will appear at the end when your Windows installation has been completed. You can see there is a final screen or a desktop is appearing in front of you. It means your Windows 10 has been installed now. I hope that you have understood the different steps performed by installing the Windows 10, and you will apply these steps to install Windows 10 at your home into your laptops or PCs. If you have any problem, if you have any question, you can mention in the comment box. So I will try to explain, I will try to solve. So next time I will come with a new video. So until that, Allah Hafiz, I'm going to signing out.